To replace the display on the 1010 model, open the front door and remove these 4 screws. With the 4 screws out, take off this cable and pull off the metal plate. And then remove these 4 standoffs. Okay, now the 4 standoffs have been removed. You can just pull this towards you. There's some adhesive, so it may feel like it's not going to remove, but it will. And there's the display removed. And there's the display. Put the new display back in place and reverse your steps. And that's it back together. If for some reason you have to replace the cable, there is a screw up on top you have to loosen. This one's removed. And there's one on the bottom that does have to be removed. This whole module will pop down. Okay, I pulled it down. And now you have access to these cables. This one's for the display. This one is for the keypad. Now the keypad is, it's both simpler and harder to replace. You take off the cable and you peel the old one off. It's an adhesive. There's no screws. Once you get it peeled off, you put the new one in place. It has a paper backing. You thread it through the hole. Connect it up over here. Connect it here. And then you want to carefully remove the backing and line this up as best as possible and simply press it on. And then the keypad is replaced. And that's it. I could put this module back in. I just have to lift this up. I have to line it up first. Okay, so it popped into place, and that's why it's being held there without any screws. Then I could put my 2 screws back. And turn the power on, and we're back in business.